Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a kind of an interesting Swiss Army knife. And the word knife in that sentence would be in quotes. This is the Victorinox Jetsetter at work Swiss Army knife. And the at work part, I'm assuming, is the fact that it has a USB drive built in. Well, it has a USB drive. Now, this has the normal tool. The rest of the tools are the same as the Jetsetter, only it has the aluminum scales on it, so you aren't getting the tweezers or the toothpick. As you can see on the back, it has the magnetic Phillips head, the oh so questionable wire stripper, the bottle opener, and it has a little pair of scissors. And for some reason, they count a key ring as a tool. So, good to know. But the interesting part is number 5, the USB drive. So let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Alright. Now, one thing that's kind of interesting about this USB drive that I find exciting is, let's see. Alright, so let's open these things up real quick. So this is the tool, and this is the size of the usual small classic. Like, here's one for comparison. And it's like 2 1/4 closed, and the tool's about 1 1/2 inches. And to get that, you got the scissors, the usual scissors, and the USB drive. Now, the USB drive on these things is removable. It comes off. And the cool thing about this one is, in addition to having a normal USB end, it has a USB-C end. So if you want, you can hook this up to your phone. I have a buddy of mine that does a lot of computer work, and oftentimes, if he's in a situation where he's working on a computer and there isn't another one nearby, what he can do is he can use his phone to download whatever he needs and then plug his USB drive that has a USB-C connector into his phone, copy it off his phone, and then pop it in the computer. So here's a question that I'm kind of curious about. I have one of the older ones. This is my normal carry-around, everyday carry USB drive. Are they the same size? Are they interchangeable? Kind of doesn't look like it to me. Yeah, this one is wider. I don't think it's going to fit. Yep, it absolutely won't fit. You could probably fit this one in here, but there's going to be there'll be some wiggle room. Like, as you can see, it doesn't, right there, it's a little thin for it. So, yeah. You can still use it in here though, but it's kind of small. Anyway, this is definitely a neat feature. And it's 16 gigs, so it's not enormous, but it's not trivial either. I mean, you could definitely get a lot done with this. And because it doesn't have any kind of knife blade on it, it's TSA safe, and you have the aluminum scales. It's not a bad little Swiss Army knife. Well, Swiss Army not knife. Anyway, let me know what you think. Is it kind of weird that it's just like, it's a little tool that's not a knife? I don't know. Kind of on the fence about that. Anyway, if you have any questions or anything or suggestions, let me know in the comments. And if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.